If you're looking for the best cordless vacuum for a thorough cleaning of your home, we've selected the top 3 on the market for you. We're going to explore the features and benefits of each product together, helping you make the perfect choice for yourself. You'll find each vacuum at the best price in the description. Let's start with the first cordless vacuum. This is the Koenig 100 bag, 22.2 V, 3-in-1 UP600 Power Clean. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight, and powerful cordless vacuum, this one is perfect for you. Its 22.2 V lithium battery provides a runtime of 35 minutes, allowing for a complete cleaning without the need to recharge frequently. Its lightweight of 1.16 kg makes it easy to use. Additionally, the Turbo Plus brush spinning at 2000 RPM and the low noise level of just 65 dB make it an ideal choice. Let's recap the advantages together. The first advantage is its runtime of 35 minutes. And its lightweight of just, as we mentioned earlier, 1.16 kilos. This makes it easy to handle and allows for comfortable use. 1.9 kilo. This makes it easy to handle and allows for comfortable use. And the third advantage is its power. Thanks to its Turbo Plus brush, which goes up to 2000 RPM for truly optimal cleaning power, there is still one downside to consider, which is its charging time that lasts 4 hours. To order at the best price, learn more about its features, and discover thousands of customer reviews, click the link in the description. Now let's move on to the second cordless vacuum. This is the one from the Rowenta brand, the X-Force Flex 8.60. This cordless vacuum combines power and flexibility with a 185-watt motor, a removable 22-volt battery providing up to 35 minutes of runtime, and a flexible tube that allows you to reach difficult spots. This vacuum is perfect for daily use. In addition, the stop-and-go function and optimal filtration add to its strengths. Let's recap its advantages together. The motor power, suitable for all surfaces, is 180 watts. The flexible tube for effective cleaning under furniture. And finally, the stop-and-go position for practical use. The downside is that the charging time lasts 3 hours. To take advantage of its advanced features, feel free to click the link in the description to order it at the best price and check out customer reviews. Finally, if you're looking for a vacuum, cordless, versatile, powerful, the PRETTYCARE cordless stick vacuum, the W200 meets all its expectations with suction power reaching up to 20,000 P, a lightweight and ergonomic design, a removable battery with 30 minutes of runtime, and a high-efficiency 5-stage filtration system. This vacuum is perfect for cleaning various surfaces. In addition, its 6-in-1 multifunction accessories and practical design make it an ideal choice for the home, carpets, and even the car. Let's recap its advantages together. First of all, its powerful suction of 20,000 PA for exceptional performance. Next, its lightweight and ergonomic design makes cleaning your home easier. Finally, the high-efficiency 5-stage filtration system for purified air. Finally, as a downside, we can note the duration of its operation. That is to say, 30 minutes, which may be limited for large cleaning areas. To order at the best price. To learn more and discover thousands of customer reviews, click the link in the description. In conclusion, whether you're looking for lightweight and powerful, flexibility with a handy tube, or extended battery life for hassle-free cleaning, these stick vacuums offer various solutions to meet your specific needs. Explore the links in the description to learn more and make the perfect choice for effective and effortless cleaning. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.